Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to place limit and stop orders in Trading 212. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to app.trading212.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials to access your trading dashboard. After logging in, you'll land on your main trading interface. From here, choose the stock or asset you want to buy or that you already own in your portfolio. If you can't immediately see the asset you're looking for, simply use the search bar located in the upper right corner of the screen to quickly find it. Once you've selected your desired stock or asset, click the Buy button to open the order configuration window. This is where you'll be able to customize your purchase parameters and set up your limit or stop order conditions. Now, here's where you'll configure your limit and stop settings. Navigate to the Set Limit/Stop section within the order window. You'll notice a toggle switch here, so go ahead and click it to turn this feature on. Activating this option allows you to set specific price points at which your order will automatically execute, giving you more control over your entry points without needing to constantly monitor the market. With the limit and stop feature now enabled, it's time to define your target price. You can set your desired price in two ways. Either type the exact amount directly into the designated price field, or use the plus and minus icons to incrementally adjust the value until you reach your preferred price point. This flexibility ensures you can fine-tune your order to match your exact trading strategy. After you've configured your price settings and you're satisfied with your order parameters, click the Place Buy Order button to submit your order. The platform will now monitor the market and automatically execute your trade when your specified conditions are met, so there's no need to watch the charts constantly. And that's it! You've successfully set up a limit and stop order in Trading 212, giving you automated control over your entry points. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.